Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and delete notes on Facebook. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Facebook application and then open up the Messenger, or you can directly open the Messenger app if you have installed the Messenger on your mobile phone. The first one, I'm going to show you how you can open up the Messenger from Facebook. You just need to go to the Facebook and then you can click on this icon on the top right, and the Facebook Messenger will be opened. And here you'll be able to create your note, or you can directly open the Messenger from the Messenger app if you have installed this application on your mobile phone. And then I'm going to open up the Messenger, and here we'll be able to create note. You can go to your note right here, and then you can share your thought and add music to your note. For the note, I'm going to add feeling great like this, and then we can click on the music to add music to our note. You can search for a music right here by clicking on the search menu, or you can choose recommended song or suggested song from the Facebook. And for instance guys, I'm going to choose song from here. I'm just going to select that song. Okay, then you can select the part of the song you want to add to your note. You can go right or go left like this to select the part. Okay, I'm just going to select this part. Alright, once you're done selecting the part you want to add to your note, you can click on done. Okay, then you can change the audience if you want. You can customize who can see your note. You can select custom, friends, or friends and connection. And here I'm just going to select friends, and you'll be able to hide your note from your friend as well. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and once you're ready to share it, you can click on share, and the note will be created guys. And if you want to remove the note, you can simply tap on your note, and then you can click on delete note, and the note will be removed from your Facebook. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create and delete note on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.